Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Easy Neuro. Today's topic is the human nervous system. So today we will be discussing in brief what are the different divisions of the nervous system and their functions. So let's begin. So as we know that the nervous system is the most complex part of our body. It is made up of specialized cells called neurons, which help in carrying information to and from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. So the two main divisions of our nervous system are the central nervous system also known as the CNS and the peripheral nervous system also known as the PNS. So the central nervous system basically consists of our brain and the spinal cord, which are basically the control centers of our body. So these are the two places where the central processing of all the information occurs. Okay, that is either coming from the environment or internally from the body. And all this information is communicated to the CNS or taken from the CNS to the organs, right? With the help of the peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system can further be divided into the sensory division and the motor division. So the sensory division is the one which is responsible for carrying all the information from the organs and tissues to the central nervous system. So any kind of sensory stimulus, for example, pain or temperature, is carried by the afferent nerves to the brain and spinal cord for further processing, right? And all the information that is coming from the CNS to the targeted tissues and organs responsible for any motor task is controlled by the motor division. And the nerves which carry these motor information are known as the efferent nerves. So one easy way to remember is that so they exit basically the CNS and go to the responsible or targeted tissues and organs. For example, if there's any painful stimulus that we touch, the motor division will basically control our skeletal muscles to pull our hand away from that painful stimulus. Okay, so this motor division, it can further be divided into the autonomic nervous system as the ANS and the somatic nervous system. So the autonomic nervous system is the one which controls all our visceral organs, for example, our heart, our lungs, our digestive system. So all the involuntary movements that occur in our body are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. And the opposite of that is the somatic nervous system, which controls all the voluntary movements. Okay, so all these skeletal muscles, okay, they are responsible for voluntary movements, and that is controlled by the somatic nervous system. So the autonomic nervous system can then further be divided into sympathetic and the parasympathetic divisions. So the sympathetic division is the one which is controlling the fight and flight response of our body. Okay, so in any kind of stress to the body, for example, if there's any danger, okay, for example, if we see a tiger in front of us, our heart rate increases, we will start sweating. Okay, so all these are controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. Okay, so our sympathetic nervous system gets activated in these kind of situations to help us either fight the situation or flight or just go away from it. And the exact opposite of that is the parasympathetic division, which basically helps in maintaining homeostasis in our body. So it cools down our body. Okay, so this is the two divisions of the autonomic nervous system. Okay, so today I discussed in brief what are the different divisions of the nervous system and their functions, right? And and in the next video we will be discussing the central nervous system. And I hope you liked the video. If there are any questions, you can please comment below and I will be happy to solve your questions. And in this channel we will be discussing various other topics which are related to neuroscience, and I hope I can explain them in an easy and simple manner to you all. So till then, enjoy yourself, and thank you so much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.